how to turn on and off private chat notification on Telegram. And okay guys, here in your mobile phone, okay, go to Telegram application. So I use iOS mobile phone or iPhone. Okay, here in your Telegram homepage, okay, go to settings on the lower right side on your screen. Okay, tap this. And okay guys, here in settings, you can see the notification and sounds. Okay, tap the notification and sounds. Here in notification and sounds and message notification section, you can see here the private chat. And the private chat is on. So to turn off the private chat, okay, you'll have to do is tap this. And you can see the switch button on the right side of show notifications. Okay, to turn off the private chat notification on your Telegram, okay, you'll have to do is switch off the switch button on the right side. And that's it. Okay, you have successfully turned off. And if you want to turn on again, okay, you'll have to do is switch on the switch button on the right side. And that's it. Okay, we have successfully turned on or off private chat notification on Telegram.